Introduction: embarking on a weight loss journey can be an exciting and transformative experience. The 21-day weight loss challenge offers a structured and focused approach to achieve sustainable results. By committing to this challenge, you are taking a significant step towards a healthier and more fulfilling lifestyle. In this article, we will explore the key components of the 21-day weight loss challenge and provide you with the guidance and motivation you need to succeed. Setting goals for the challenge. Setting clear and realistic goals is the foundation of any successful weight loss journey. During the 21-day challenge, it's important to establish measurable objectives that will help you track your progress and stay motivated. Whether your goal is to lose a certain number of pounds, improve your fitness level, or increase your energy, defining specific parameters will ensure that you have a clear target to work towards. Developing a structured workout plan. A well-designed workout plan is essential for maximizing your weight loss efforts. Incorporating a variety of exercises will not only keep you engaged but also target different muscle groups and energy systems. Include cardiovascular exercises such as running, cycling, or swimming to burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. Strength training exercises like weightlifting or bodyweight exercises will help you build lean muscle mass and boost your metabolism. Additionally, high-intensity interval training (HIIT) can provide an efficient and effective way to maximize calorie burn in a shorter amount of time. Designing a balanced meal plan. Nutrition plays a vital role in weight loss. A balanced meal plan ensures that your body receives the necessary nutrients while creating a calorie deficit for weight loss. Calculate your daily calorie needs based on factors such as age, gender, weight, and activity level. Incorporate nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables into your meals. Pay attention to portion sizes and practice mindful eating to develop a healthy relationship with food. Nutrition and meal planning. A healthy, balanced diet is essential for successful weight loss. In this segment, we'll discuss meal planning, portion control, and smart food choices. Introduction to meal planning. Host explains the importance of meal planning and how it can simplify healthy eating. Tips on how to set goals and make a grocery list for effective meal planning. Creating balanced meals. Host explains the concept of a balanced plate, emphasizing the importance of incorporating lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and a variety of fruits and vegetables. Practical examples and visuals of balanced meals. Portion control and mindful eating. Host shares strategies for portion control and mindful eating, such as using smaller plates, paying attention to hunger and fullness cues, and slowing down while eating. Incorporating mindfulness and stress management. Weight loss is not just about physical changes, it also involves addressing emotional and mental well-being. Incorporating mindfulness techniques into your daily routine can help you develop a healthier relationship with food and manage emotional eating. Engage in stress-reducing activities such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to alleviate stress and prevent it from derailing your weight loss efforts. Nurturing a positive mindset. A positive mindset is crucial for long-term success. In this segment, we'll explore strategies to stay motivated, overcome challenges, and cultivate self-compassion. 1. Goal setting and visualization. Host discusses the importance of setting realistic goals and visualizing success. Tips on breaking down goals into smaller milestones. 2. Overcoming obstacles. Host shares strategies for overcoming common obstacles, such as cravings, lack of time, and negative self-talk. Encourages viewers to find solutions and seek support when needed. 3. Self-care and reflection. Host emphasizes the significance of self-care in the weight loss journey. Suggestions for incorporating self-care activities like meditation, journaling, and relaxation techniques. Improved cardiovascular health. Regular exercise helps strengthen your heart and improves blood circulation, reducing the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke. Increased energy and stamina. Engaging in physical activity boosts your energy levels, improves endurance, and enhances your overall stamina and fitness. Mood enhancement and stress reduction. Exercise stimulates the release of endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. It also helps reduce stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. Better sleep quality. Regular physical activity can promote better sleep patterns, helping you fall asleep faster and enjoy more restful sleep. Tracking progress and accountability. Tracking your progress throughout the 21-day challenge is crucial for staying motivated and making necessary adjustments. Regular weigh-ins and body measurements can provide tangible evidence of your progress. Keeping a food and exercise journal allows you to be mindful of your choices and identify areas for improvement. Seek support from a fitness community or find an accountability partner who can offer encouragement, guidance, and motivation. Overcoming plateaus and challenges. Plateaus are a common occurrence in weight loss journeys. When you reach a plateau, it's important not to get discouraged. Instead, make adjustments to your workout intensity, duration, or type of exercises to challenge your body in new ways. Incorporate variety into your meal plan to prevent boredom and keep your metabolism engaged. Remember that plateaus are temporary, and by staying committed to your goals, you will break through them. Adapting to lifestyle changes. The 21-day weight loss challenge serves as a catalyst for long-term lifestyle changes. As you complete the challenge, reflect on the positive changes you've made and how they can be integrated into your daily life. Make exercise a priority by scheduling it into your routine and finding activities you enjoy. Continue making healthy food choices and practice portion control even beyond the challenge duration. Fun and effective workout routine. Now, let's get our bodies moving with a dynamic workout routine designed to boost metabolism and burn calories. 1. Warm-up. Host leads viewers through a series of warm-up exercises, including stretches and light cardio movements. 2. Cardiovascular exercises. Host demonstrates a variety of cardio exercises, such as jumping jacks, high knees, and mountain climbers, with modifications for different fitness levels. 3. Strength training. Host guides viewers through a series of bodyweight exercises, targeting major muscle groups. Exercises include squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks, with options for beginners and advanced participants. Celebrating achievements and reflecting on the journey. At the end of the 21-day challenge, take the time to celebrate your achievements. Acknowledge the progress you've made, both physically and mentally. Reflect on the lessons learned, challenges overcome, and personal growth experienced during the journey. Use this reflection as motivation to set new goals and continue your commitment to a healthier lifestyle. Conclusion. The 21-day weight loss challenge provides a structured and focused approach to achieve sustainable weight loss. By setting clear goals, designing a balanced meal plan, incorporating regular exercise, practicing mindfulness, and tracking progress, you are on the path to success. Embrace this challenge as a transformative journey that goes beyond physical changes and encompasses mental and emotional well-being. As you complete the challenge, celebrate your achievements and use them as a springboard for continued growth and a lifetime of healthy habits.